Today we'll be discussing how to write polynomial functions using the concept of multiplicities and the leading coefficient test. Let's say we have to sketch a polynomial function with a degree of 4, 3 real zeros, and a positive leading coefficient. So we know the degree is 4, but there's only 3 real zeros. So we can therefore conclude that there must be a repeated 0. So a 0 must have an even multiplicity, because remember, even multiplicity means that it's just tangent to the x-axis at the x-intercept. And the end behavior of a positive leading coefficient and even degree would look like rising to the left and rising to the right. And so we can come up with an example f of x, which in this case would just be f of x equals x squared times x minus 3 times x plus 2. As you can see, there's a repeated 0, x equals 0, denoted by x squared. And then we have two other zeros. And the simplified form is shown below. And this is how it looked like graphically. As you can see, it rises both to the left and to the right and meets all of our conditions. Let's do another one. We have to sketch a polynomial function with a degree of 7, 2 real zeros with a multiplicity of 2, 1 real zero with a multiplicity of 3, and a positive leading coefficient. So multiplicity of 2 just means that it'll be tangent. So it'll just touch the x-axis at that point. And then an odd multiplicity, recap, means that it will cross the x-axis at that x-intercept. So just to recap, multiplicity of 2 will be in the form of x plus n squared, where n is the supposed x-intercept. And since we don't have any given information of what that x-intercept is, we can just use any sort of number. And multiplicity of 3, again, means it just crosses the x-axis at the x-intercept, and it's the form of x plus n cubed. And the end behavior of a positive leading coefficient and an odd degree would mean that it's falling to the left and rising to the right. I will also put the multiplicity and leading coefficient test videos on the description box below. So just an example of a possible equation you could use is just x plus w cubed times x plus y cubed times x plus z cubed times x plus n. So w, y, z, n are just whatever x-intercepts that you want to plug in. And these are just the requirements that would satisfy the conditions given to us. Hope this video helped. Comment down below any other math topics you want me to review. Thank you.